All right, welcome back to day number 97, I think. Today we took a break even. Reason for that, I was bearish and I was waiting for price to, as you can see, we dumped right into New York. And I was waiting for price to sweep this low right here, or this Tokyo session low, and then for us to reprice higher into some sort of like 15-minute PD array, where we touched this fair value gap right here, and then we reacted from it. And I wanted to enter on the reaction. So I waited for that. You can see like this is pretty range bound price action and actually really hard to trade. So I'm fine taking the break even there, because one, it was systematic and I was really patient. But yeah, let's get into it. There's this order block right here. There's this down move. Then you get this down move right here. You get this break of structure, and then we break structure bearish again. And at this point, I'm thinking, now this is the order block. I'm going to short this. And if this bearish momentum is to continue, we might visit like this order block low right here. Although I was keeping in mind, like this is a 1 hour order block as well. So I was keeping that in mind and looking for reactions there. But my final target would have been this. And yeah, ended up entering here. Price just closes above. But because I entered based on the 5-minute, I didn't pay much attention to 1-minute break structure. So ended up entering there. Stop loss was above here. So for me, this was like a pretty safe stop loss. This is the 15-minute fair value gap. We had nice reaction. This was printing bearish order flow. So I said, okay, this small order block right here is nice confluence. So let me enter there. Entered there, ended up going into drawdown. Then there was this push, pain. This was really, really painful. Then again, we got this push right here. And again, I started marking bearish order flow. But keeping in mind that here, if you look at the 5-minute, we broke structure. So I decided to hold here because we were still like in 5-minute bearish structure because we haven't closed above here. But keeping in mind that we've closed bullish here, I didn't close there because I still had the hard stop here. And I said, okay, maybe there's a chance we could go lower. This looks like pretty range bound price action to me, which it is, pretty range bound. So I decided to wait. And then you got this candle right here. This is like literally this candle right here. This is the opening. And then you got this. And I said, okay, for me to remain bearish, I want to see, ideally, us touch this like sort of order block, I guess you could call it. I want us to see touch this order block and then go lower, which we did, and we broke structure. So I just decided to hold. Then I had like a mental stop of taking, if it closed above here, we take orders. I took the trade off here. If it didn't, then I'm just gonna wait. Had these candles right here, which were pushing down and then getting bought up, pushing down, getting bought up, pushing down, getting bought up, until eventually we touched this again. We sold off, we broke structure. Let me just close this. I marked this order block right here, right? So now this is like the whole order block. See this candle closing below, see this respecting, see this candle again, closing below here. And at this point, this is like a new 5-minute candle. And we were still, right? We haven't closed below here. Okay, so technically we are still bullish here, just pretty range bound. And we were still bullish there. That said, I thought to myself, 5-minute barely has no wick to the upside. I'm moving my hard stop here, but if we close above here, above this candle, I'm taking orders off. Ended up doing that, taking orders right. Soon as this candle closed, took the orders off, then price went up, would have stopped me out, and then now we're just ranging again. So overall, I think it was a good trade and good management of the trade, because I was really patient with the 5-minute. I managed it really well here, being patient. I mean, from here to here was like I was losing like $60 more. So for me, it didn't make any sense to like be taking the order off at the time. Um, so yeah, that was it. Price is now going lower. We might still go here, but I'm done trading for today. So hope you enjoyed, and I see you tomorrow for day number 98 or 99. I don't remember.